Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about symmetrical figures and line of symmetry. So let's get started with the symmetrical figure. Here is the shape of a heart. Can you fold it in two equal parts so that we will get two halves? One half will cover the other half. Let us try. So here we are folding from the green line. We will get two halves. When we will put one half on another one half cover the other half completely. Now we will take one circle and we will fold it from the green line. So we will get two halves. When we will put one half on another one, we will get the same shape. So that means these two shapes are symmetrical shapes, and this line from where we are folding the shapes, that line is called the line of symmetry. That line is called the line of symmetry. So these two shapes are symmetrical shapes. If we are folding one shape from one side, it will completely covers the other half that are symmetrical. Now take another example. We will take one flower and we will find it out whether this is symmetrical or not. We will cut this flower from this orange line and we will put one side on another one. It completely covers the other half. So this shape is a symmetrical shape. Right? And this orange line is called the line of symmetry. Now you will get an idea. Now we will take one rectangle and we will fold this rectangle from this purple line. Are these two halves are equal, but they are not covering, right? So one half does not cover the other half, so this rectangle is not symmetrical. Another way is there. We will fold the rectangle from this way, and when we will put the one half on another one, this half is completely covered by the other half. So this rectangle is symmetrical from this way, and this purple line is called the line of symmetry. So these three shapes are symmetrical, and this purple line is called the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Now we will take one more example of butterfly. We will fold it from the center through this line. One half covered the other half. So this is the symmetrical shape, and this purple line is called the line of symmetry. Now we will take the example of this rabbit. Cut it from the center from this purple line, and now we will put one half on another one, then it will cover the second part. So this is also symmetrical, and that line is called the line of symmetry. More shapes. Letter A is a perfect example of symmetrical figure. This smiley, this trapezium, when we will cut it through this purple line, these shapes are symmetrical, and that purple line is called the line of symmetry. Now we will learn how to make a symmetrical figure. Take a paper of this shape, cut it from the center and fold it. Now draw any of the shape. Now cut that shape and now open this. This is a symmetrical shape, and from where we have folded it, that part, that line, that from where we have folded, that is called the line of symmetry. That is called the line of symmetry. Clear, everyone? How to make a symmetrical shape? You can draw any of the shape. Now we will learn line of symmetry of a circle. take a circle and fold it from the center like this. This part will cover the other part. That means this is a line of symmetry. Now cut the circle from the center like this. This is also symmetrical. Now cut the circle from any of the line but passing through its center. We will find symmetrical shape. We can cut this circle from any of the side, but it should be passing through center. So we can draw a number of lines of symmetry from a circle, right? So a circle is having a number of lines of symmetry. All right, this is